how to make money from home. So if you want to make money from home, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your web browser and then go with www.fiverr.com. Once you're on the Fiverr homepage, now head over to the top right corner where you'll see the options to either log in or create an account. So I'll just simply go with sign in and then continue with my Google. So go and select an account. If you already haven't, you can go with login, or if you don't have, you can just simply go with create and then create your account. Now, once you've logged in successfully, you need to locate the search bar at the top of your page. In the search bar, you need to type in online jobs and then hit the enter or click the search icon to start browsing available gigs. Now, Fiverr will display a wide variety of online jobs and freelance services that you can apply for or offer as a seller. So take your time to look through the listings and check the pay rates that suit your skills. Read the descriptions carefully and compare the different offers to see which ones matches your experience and interests the best. When you find something you like, click on it to go with learn more option, or just simply go with continue, which will be on the right side. And in this way, you'll be able to make money from home. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.